I'm Georgia and I'm a fourth year dentist at Newcastle University. Did you know what we eat is really important for our teeth? There are lots of sugars hiding in the food that we eat, so it's really important that we look out for them. This is because sugar bugs in our mouth love the sugars, and what they do is they feed on them and then they poo on our teeth, and this makes little holes in our teeth which can hurt. There are lots of things that we can do to have a healthy diet. So, what sort of snacks are good for our teeth? We should be having 3 square meals a day, but sometimes we get a little bit hungry in between and we need to have a snack. So, snacks that our teeth love are fruit and vegetables, and we should try to have 5 of these a day. These could be things like apples that are chopped up or some carrots. Other things that our teeth love are cheese and breadsticks, so feel free to have these as your snacks in between your meals. Sugary snacks are bad for our teeth though, and these are things like cakes, biscuits and sweets. And this is because they have lots and lots of sugars hiding inside of them, so it's a really good idea to check the labels and see how many sugars are inside. For example, chocolate spread has all of these sugars inside of them. Ice cream. We absolutely love ice cream, but again has all of these sugars inside. And sweets. Great as a treat, but have lots of sugars inside. So it's really important to check the labels. We can still have these sugary snacks, but it's best to have them as a treat. So if you get lots of sweets as presents, then what you should do is save them up and have them as a treat rather than having them every day. The other thing that you could do is have them with a meal as a pudding, so eat them straight afterwards. And it's really, really important to remember, don't eat these sweets before bedtime. What about the drinks that we're having? Fizzy drinks are really bad for our teeth because again, these have sugars hiding in them too. So it's best to limit these and not have them often. But if you do want to have a fizzy drink, have it with a meal and drink it through a straw. Fruit juices are great for our bodies as they're really healthy and count as one of your 5 a day. So these could be things like apple juice or orange juice. But again, these have sugars hiding in them as well. So it's a really good idea to have a small glass of it with a meal. For example, have your orange juice with your breakfast. What our teeth absolutely love though are water and milk. So feel free to have these at any point in the day. And remember, always follow the advice of your doctor and your dietitian as to what you should be eating. Keep looking after your teeth, and thanks for watching.